Today we're going to look at something different, and that is going to be the hLookup functionality in Excel. So here I have a data set. This is a little bit different than other data sets. We typically think of data sets more in a column organization. This is in a row organization. So this wouldn't be typical that you would get data like this, but it could happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to look up two values from that list. We're going to look up the CEO, and we're also going to look up the HR manager. So we are going to create two hLookups here. The first one, we are going to look up the value in cell B2. We are going to look it up off of the table on the other sheet, starting in row 1 and then moving down to row 3. And we're going to return the value in row 3, and that's going to be comma false, as is typical with VLOOKUPs. So in this case, this will return the CEO's name. If we want to copy that down, as you saw, that will not work. We need to insert dollar signs before the two row numbers. Once we've inserted those will fix the row numbers. So as we copy down, those will not change. That is now returning the name of the HR manager or head of HR, and the other cell is returning the CEO name. So this is a way to use a different type of VLOOKUP, an hLOOKUP, in order to find data.